What if I told you that your dream luxurious lifestyle was waiting for you right here in Somerset County, New Jersey? Hi, I'm Debbie McLain with Team McLain at Real Broker, and I'm excited to introduce you to 37 Tallman Lane in Somerset, New Jersey, located in the beautiful 55-plus community of Canal Walk. If you've been dreaming of luxurious, low-maintenance living with resort-style amenities, this home might be your perfect match. This beautifully maintained single-family home sits on a quiet, tree-lined street, just a short walk to all the amenities Canal Walk has to offer. You'll love the professionally landscaped yard, spacious driveway, and private two-car garage. One of the best parts of Canal Walk is the low-maintenance lifestyle. The HOA covers the exterior of the maintenance, landscaping, snow removal, and trash removal. This gives you more time to do the things that you love. Inside, you're greeted by a light-filled open layout, perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. Take note of the high ceilings, custom moldings, and elegant hardwood floors that flow throughout the main living areas. This home features 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths and offers just over 1,700 square feet of beautifully designed space. The guest bedroom is generously sized and perfect for visitors or a home office, plus there's a full second bathroom just steps away. The kitchen is a chef's dream with granite countertops and an island that opens beautifully to the family room, which includes a cozy gas fireplace. And let's not forget the sunroom, perfect for your morning coffee or reading a good book with tons of natural light and access to your private patio. Your primary suite is a spacious and serene, featuring a tray ceiling, large walk-in closets, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom with dual vanities and a walk-in shower. Living at 37 Tallman Lane means you're not just buying a home, you're stepping into a vibrant, active adult lifestyle. Canal Walk offers 2 gorgeous clubhouses, indoor and outdoor pools, pickleball, a full fitness center, social clubs, and more than 50 organized activities to enjoy. This home truly has it all: elegance, comfort, and access to one of the best 55-plus communities in all of New Jersey. If you're ready to take a tour of 37 Tallman Lane or see what Canal Walk community is all about, please check out teammclain.com or text me at 908-283-1983. I would love to show you what this community has to offer.